To create an accordion component within your content area of your page, click the Create button within your content area. Give it a name that will make sense to you as you go back to edit the page at later dates. And then from this drop down, select KU Accordion Container and click the Create button. This will create an accordion container with one item in it. Select the Add New button, or under this gear icon, you can select the plus, and that will create an additional accordion item, as many as you need. If you create accordion items by accident, you can select the gear icon and minus the ones that you do not need. You can also move items up and down within your list as needed by selecting the arrow icon within that gear icon menu. Within the first item, you can select that Create button, give it a name. This is only seen by you within the content management system. And then select the type of item that you want. The difference between accordion component item and accordion item. Accordion item is text only. Accordion component item will allow you to create additional components within that accordion item. We'll go over that option first. So I'm selecting the KU accordion item option and then clicking the Create button within my heading 1 container. Give your item a heading. This is what will be viewed initially as the user looks at the different headings to scan and understand the heading that they would like to open. Then within the accordion component, you can click the Create, give it a name, and then select the type. KU calendar feed, KU flipbook, KU gallery container, media container, quote area, text area, or U visit are the things that we allow you to create within the component items. A calendar feed, a flipping book, or a U visit would be things that we would need to supply to you in order for you to create within your component. A gallery container, media container, quote area, or text area are things that you can create easily on your own, and you can refer to those individual videos if you need further information on that. So we can create a KU media container, for example, by selecting KU media container and then clicking the Create button. And then within this container, we will tell it we would like an image by clicking the Create, giving it a name, and then selecting the type of media we want here. These, again, are your different options. You can refer to the media video to see what those options are. I will select the KU image partial for just an image, and create. Within this image, I will click the select to take me to assets, and then navigate by clicking the arrow next to assets, the arrow next to departments and offices, the arrow next to my alphabetical order of the department I want to select, find my folder, click the images, and then find the image that I want to use. Once I click on that image, I will click the confirm in the bottom right corner to confirm I do want that image. Alternative text is the text that is read back to users that use assistive technology to navigate a website. You want to describe the image. This image I would describe as a white goat with his head through a fence. So I will type that here. For example. And then you can give it a title, description, or link. Again, you can refer to the media container video for further details. I can then collapse those areas to make it easier for me to find my second accordion item. In this second item, I will select the Create button once more. I will again give it a name, and I will select a KU accordion item for this option and create. This will create a text area within that component. I will give it a heading, and I can type or copy and paste my text. Please refer to the KU text area video for further information on the text area. Once that is complete, I can again close those areas. I can save and preview. And view my accordion within the page, my first item with an image, and my second item with text, and how they interact. Clicking on one closes the other automatically.